In this video, I will guide you how you can set a stop limit order on Binance Future. So first of all, you need to click on the trade and then click on the spot on the top of your screen. Then you just need to click on your price or limit under the buy and sell on the top right corner. On the desktop, the options will going to be similar. Then you just need to click on the limit, or actually in this case stop limit. Now enter the stop price, limit price, or the amount of crypto you wish to purchase. Then you need to simply click on the buy or sell to confirm the details of the transaction. Note that a stop limit order is a combination of a stop price and a limit price. When the stop price is reached, a limit order is automatically placed at the limit price. This can be useful in volatile markets where prices can change rapidly, just like nowadays. So hope this helps. This is how you can set a stop limit order on Binance Future.